What you need to wonder how you can do everything right, save your money, buy a home, and still get wiped out? Think 2008. It's not your fault. You were playing a personal finance game during a global economic storm. Most people obsess over their wardrobe, their budget, their savings. That's microeconomics, but they completely ignore the weather, the macroeconomic forces like interest rates and inflation. A great raincoat is useless in a Category 5 hurricane. These forces determine if your plans even have a chance. When the macro environment shifts and interest rates rise, your purchasing power for a house can get cut in half while you were sleeping. Here's the secret. When a macro environment like inflation hits, millions of people make the micro decision to spend less. This collective action creates a massive recession, a violent feedback loop. The people who thrive aren't just hard workers. They watch the weather so they can change their wardrobe before the storm arrives.